Hey guys, I got the Typhon GT out. We're going to try to get a quick pass in here. This is going to be my first real run with the car. I ran it on the road, just a slower pass, just to, you know, dial in the steering and all that good stuff. So anyway, the GPS is on and testing. 11 miles an hour. There's 0. She's picking up. Let's see if we can get an airplane, so I have to keep my eyes peeled. Here we go. Let's see what we got there. It's on 7S right now. I really didn't know what to expect. So, we'll see. It should be interesting. She's picking up. Alright. 165. That's perfect.